Wait, 8:30 p.m. equals 20:30? Are they really the same time?
Welcome to Math Challengers.
How is that possible? Describe the 12-hour and 24-hour clock systems. Can you tell what time it is right now? Let's check your clock skills. Get ready. No talking. Just show the time using your hands like a clock. Number 1. 6:30 plus 30 minutes. 3, 2, 1, show. Next, 7:10 minus 20 minutes. 3, 2, 1, show. Last one. 9:05 plus 15 minutes. 3, 2, 1, show. It's time to level up. Let's dive into the 12-hour and 24-hour clock systems. Let's see how time works using two different clock systems. On the left, we have the 12-hour clock. It uses numbers from 1 to 12 and includes AM and PM to show whether it is morning or afternoon. On the right, we have the 24-hour clock. It uses numbers from 0 to 23 and does not use AM or PM because it shows the full day in one complete system. Even though they look different, both clocks show the same exact time at every moment. As the 24-hour clock rotates, you can see the full day passing, morning, afternoon, evening, and night, in one continuous cycle. The 12-hour clock, on the other hand, completes 2 full rotations in one day, representing AM and PM. Both represent the same 24 hours of time. The 12-hour clock uses numbers from 1 to 12. We read the hours, then the minutes. To understand the time of day, we use AM and PM. AM stands for ante-meridium, which means before noon. PM stands for post-meridium, which means afternoon. Let's look at some examples. This clock reads as 6:30 a.m. 6:30 a.m. means 6:30 in the morning. This one reads as 1:45 p.m. The 24-hour clock system, also known as military time. It is used to avoid confusion between AM and PM. Military time uses a continuous count from midnight to the next midnight. It is commonly used in airports, hospitals, and the military because it is clear and precise. In a 24-hour clock, we read the hours and then the minutes. For example, 1435 is read as 1435 hours. 0109 is read as 0109 hours. If the time is a whole hour, we say the digits in order. For example, 0900 is read as 0900 hours. Midnight is 0000 and is read as 000 hours.
Now, let's do our guided practice. Study the 2 clock systems shown on the screen. Read each statement carefully and complete the missing information. Let's check your answers. Let's summarize what we have learned. Time helps us organize our day. We can tell time using 2 systems, the 12-hour clock system and the 24-hour clock system. Let's compare them. First, the 12-hour clock system. It uses the numbers 1 to 12. It uses AM and PM to tell whether the time is before noon or afternoon. AM means before noon, while PM means afternoon. Since there are only 12 numbers, the clock goes around twice in a day. Now, let's look at the 24-hour clock system. It uses the numbers 00 to 23. It does not use AM or PM. It shows all 24 hours in one complete cycle. Because of this, the clock goes around only once in a day. So, what is the most important idea to remember? Even though the 12-hour clock system and the 24-hour clock system look different, they tell the same time. They are simply two different ways of expressing the same moment in a day. Always remember, use AM and PM only in the 12-hour clock system. Do not use AM or PM in the 24-hour clock system. Now it's time for your formative assessment. Please read each question carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. All right, time's up. Let's check your answers together. Before we end our lesson, let's take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. Question 1. What is the difference between the 12-hour clock system and the 24-hour clock system? Question 2. Why do we use AM and PM in the 12-hour clock system? Question 3. Why is the 24-hour clock system used in places like airports, hospitals, or the military? Question 4. How do you feel about learning to convert time between the 12-hour and 24-hour clock systems? Why? Question 5. How can knowing both clock systems help you in your daily life?
Thanks for watching. See you next time.